Nigerians, good evening wherever you are. My name is Bello Imole Hayo Light. I say welcome to Streetizen TV. So we are going into the street of Lagos to ask questions. It's not a difficult question actually. We just want to know the difference between a call girl and a prostitute. Funny, right? Funny. So just stay tuned and come with me.
A few moments later.
Anybody whatever guy, your boss, I want to know guy.
Okay. Thank you.
Prostitute, understand?
Yes.
Is the one that declares a ecological metabolism of the man to man in each environment.
Okay, so good afternoon. Can I meet you? Your name, please?
Hi, my name is Henry Otumba, aka Akinyese.
Okay, very good. So, how is your day going?
I'm very fine, thank God.
Okay, so let me ask this quick question. So, we have a lot of things going on in our society today. What's the difference between a runs girl and a prostitute? A runs girl and a prostitute.
A prostitute is different.
So, what's the difference?
Thank you.
Okay.
A prostitute, understand?
Yes.
Is the one that declares a ecological metabolism of the man to man in each environment.
Come again.
Declares a ecological metabolism of the man to man in each environment. And why? A what? Secondly,
A call girl. A call girl.
a call girl is a decent girl.
But then, when you were explaining the prostitutes, I don't understand. You said something I don't get.
You don't get.
Yes, you said the
A
prostitute.
prostitute, that's Ashewo now,
Is who?
is a woman
Okay.
that declares ecological chances for a man differently. One man to another
Is that a word?
is a word.
Okay. Because
go
I'm
and
not.
check your
I'm not.
Dico. Go and check your Dico.
I should go and check my Dico. I can't
Exactly.
even spell it. How do I check it?
Oh my God.
That's the question. Waiting in the last.
Okay. So what's the difference between 12 noon
12 noon
and 12 p.m.?
and 12 p.m.
Yes.
12 p.m. You can check now.
Check what?
Check the moon.
What? Moon.
I know. My brother have already said that 12 p.m. and 12 noon, and I understand. Out of 100%, there's for here because we are technician.
You are technician.
Exactly.
Here.
So
So I should check the moon.
the moon.
Nínú oòrùn yìí, I should check moon.
The moon.
In the
Moon
sun.
in evening. You understand? While 12 p.m. is in the afternoon. For my own exaggerated my knowledge.
Banana brain.
If I said, Aaron say, don't blame me. I can't Jafolobis, I not Kankajest. You have many. I will tell you, but not now. When you see a synagogue,
This man.
participant that Kratalaba Jigoism, you can simply call him or her cross Venezuela.
Now you talk this inability, they just fall come off the mouth.
Kubete is better than Yagaya. That's average is better than none. Kubete is better than Yagaya.
That's great.
Yeah. And if go is go, and go, it will surely come back to the home. Tie ureba lo a padà wá sílé. Only home the rested of farm. Ileni abosimioko. Okay, yeah. I'm done.
That's wonderful. Thank you very much. See, I'm short of words. I don't even know what to say. I don't know where to start from. I don't know what to say. But thank you very much.
Because I went to school, MPV.
What's MPV?
MPV, M, Maduguri, P, Polytechnic. That V, now Venza. Maduguri Polytechnic Venza.
Venza.
Yes. Who are London?
Jesus.
Maduguri walo. I don't understand. This Maduguri. Oh, Odombo. Ondo wani Maduguri ni.
Yes, now. What do you want to now?
Okay, I don't know.
Do you know Idori? Idori.
Idonri.
That's Idori.
Oh.
Me exactly.
Hey, Daddy, you can lie.
Maduguri.
Sorry, when you were studying there, who was your rector?
Exactly.
So who was your rector? Why?
My rector, Kolawole Olaniyi. Kolawole Olaniyi.
Kolawole. I think that is a radio presenter.
No. Ola. That one, Olawuyi. Olaniyi.
Okay, Olawuyi.
That's a radio sentence. But this one, Olaniyi.
Olaniyi.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And you finished at what year? What year did you finish?
That was 2005, right? Yeah.
You finished
05.
Wow, that's great. That's wonderful. So you did your ND there or HND or BSc?
The 3. I did everything together. At once. Ask Wole Soyinka, you know me very well.
I should ask who?
Wole Soyinka.
Wole Soyinka?
You know me very well. What? Just ask that you saw a man,
Okay.
Stick of law.
Okay.
Igi Ofi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So once I ask him,
He's know me very well.
Yeah. So I've met Noah. So what year did you serve? Did you go for service at all? Did you serve this country?
I couldn't because I lost my dad because there's no money to furthermore.
Sorry, yo.
Service. You don't need to pay for service. I don't understand.
All our government understand. Colon shall know understand. We don't
In
have
service,
money.
they pay you. You don't pay.
We pay. I don't feel like.
Who do you pay to?
Abacha, do the Abacha.
Say you dey whine me
Abasha. And you finished 2005.
05.
all this water side voice.
Kini kono.
I will bend.
A bend.
If
A
you
bend
bend, I will
tell me.
bend,
A bend
man.
tell me. So good afternoon, please.
Me Ogboyinbo.
Ekason, good afternoon. Can I meet
Me
you?
Ogboyinbo.
Wetin be your name? Follow me talk.
Okay, Lamidi Gbada.
Lamidi Gbada. So this place na your workplace, abi?
No, mo yabi lo ni o.
So wetin be the meaning of prostitute and call girl? Like the difference between prostitute and call girl?
Prostitute.
Yes.
Oko HIV. Olosho. Olosho. Aṣẹ́wó. Prostitute no man pay one now.
Call girl ńkọ́?
Call girl. I love you like kiss you and I romance you, man.
Kini di ewo nu e.
Call girl.
Hey! What's that? So the difference between call girl and prostitutes, mo lè ṣàlàyé fún wa ya.
Mo ti ṣàlàyé fún yín.
Kò sí yàtọ̀ mi tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ fún tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún wa jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Yàtọ̀ náà ni pé olóṣó and aṣẹ́wó and kí ló tún kù ẹ̀ ń tán gbádùn ìyàtọ̀ ò sí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Okay, so good evening. Can I meet you? Your name, please?
My name is Adeyemi Popola, and how can I help you?
Okay, so I want to ask this quick question from you. So consider what is happening generally in our community now. So I want to know the difference between a call girl and a prostitute. Do you have a difference between a call girl and a prostitute?
Hey, there's different to.
So what's the difference between a call girl and a prostitute?
Prostitute will always open his body because of money.
What?
And a call girl?
A call girl is different a little bit.
How?
But they are same thing, but not that much. Because a prostitute, you can meet a prostitute outside, in a hotel, in anywhere, in any environment.
Okay.
And she's going to follow you to anywhere you want to go.
Okay.
Call of the money. But a call girl still have a choice to say, I don't want this thing.
So which would you prefer between a call girl and a prostitute?
I don't want any of them.
Oh my God! Wow!
Why?
Nothing. They are not that different. So I want a responsible girl.
Yeah, boy.
My name na Ireolua.
Your name na Irelua. How is your day going?
It was fine, but no money.
No money. Money go there in Jesus' name, no worry. So I want to ask you this quick question. You know prostitutes now? You know prostitutes? You know prostitutes. Ashewo.
You say?
You know am. And you know call girl. You know call girl.
Call girl. Like one call.
Will you keep quiet?
I know they call. You don't know call girl and Ashewo.
No, only Ashewo I know. I don't
You don't know call girl.
Yes.
Damn bloody fool.
So you don't know the difference between call girl and Ashewo.
Yes.
Wetin be Ashewo? Wetin be prostitute?
Ashewo na like if the person wan have fun now. If you wan enter, make come outside. Go inside, come outside.
Go inside, come outside. Where you wan enter? Where you wan comot?
No worry about that. That thing will be like fish. If you wan enter, come outside. Go inside, come outside.
Fish. So if you wan enter, come outside. Na wetin? Na Ashawo.
Na Ashewo be that one.
Married men and women sef dey enter, dey come outside. That explanation no too go like that.
Ashewo na if you see them for titi, women just carry them. Say you wan carry them go hotel, na me just enter, come outside.
Okay, I don't understand wetin you dey talk. So as you no know the meaning of call girl, so you go still prefer call girl to Ashewo na abi? You fit marry Ashawo?
You can explain the call girl for me now.
Even if I don't know the meaning, now I dey ask you. Now I
you
dey
don't know
street.
the meaning.
Yes, now I dey street. Why I dey ask? Like you think say if I know the meaning, I go come out for house.
I be a mommy. I don't know anything. I be virgin.
Now you talk this thing, I be the thing, they just fall come off your mouth.
You be virgin, but you dey enter, you dey come out.
Maybe sometimes, yeah.
Okay, you dey this virgin and you dey be virgin back.
You are
You dey
correct.
this The two
Right
together.
there.
Hey, shut up.
Listen, none of the mean now I come street say me I come ask. Wetin the difference between call girl and as you no call know am like this. Sure you go prefer call girl normal. If you see
Anyone wey come my way, I go enter, I go come outside. Call girl and achawo, I go come outside, I go go inside.
All this water side voice.
my nigga how far now? I feel me too. Wetin be your name?
My name is Oluwafemi Obasa.
Obasa.
Yeah.
Like wetin they call you for street? Say your street.
Obasa.
Normal. Obasa.
Obasa.
So anywhere for Ekoro where we reach, we fit call Obasa. Like now only you dey answer that name.
Na only me now.
Na only you.
Na
You no
only
get
me.
counterfeit.
I do.
Oshie Obasa.
Another counterfeit. I'm a pa yani.
Obasa no violence. You no call girls now. You no prostitutes. You dey used to them. Hey, Olosho and so I wan know the difference between call girl and prostitutes. Shey difference dey? Difference dey.
Difference no deal.
Wetin
Shey you
talk?
think say the difference no deal.
Difference no dey between call girl and prostitute. My brother, shey difference dey? Come now, move closer now. Make we talk together. Wetin be the difference?
Call girl na hook up. Oloso na figo 500.
Hey!
For
For one corner. Now na anywhere you
But
see.
you get Eyekeye.
Yeah,
You know me of Eyekeye.
No, which one be Ayekeye?
My clear the Eyekeye.
Clear me.
You get all those small girls wey dem be like 15, 13, 18 last age. Na im be Eyekeye. Be hang am for anywhere. You don hang am like this. You don carry Eye be that.
Now you talk this thing, I be the thing they just fall come off the mouth.
All those one are
And I
Ayekeye.
go, you make cage am for anywhere wey you like.
Okay. So but call girl na hook up.
No shock you.
Prostitute na figo. So which one you prefer?
Which way me I prefer?
Call girl be prostitute.
Me.
Kogo akamole.
Iye wo ni? Hook up, okay. You call.
Me, nah, everything me I dey do, me I don't know say.
Hey, whoa! Hey!
I see this aggression. I give me a
You
big
call,
man.
There's no anywhere better face.
Get up from there.
My name is Ibrahim.
Ibrahim, now wetin they call you for street?
FBI, I do.
Na wetin they call you for street be that? So
Hello,
all of this Ekoro na Ibrahim FBI abi.
Hello.
Oshie omo ya mi. After I want ask you this quick question.
What is it?
Inside Olosho and call girl, which one you prefer?
You know, cup, àti àwọn figure shot.
Me I thought the two na hook up make sense pass o.
Wetin be their difference first?
Many things o.
Which one be hook up? Which one be
Ayekeye.
which one be call girl? Which one be prostitute?
Think I know which jẹ.
Call girl online.
Okay, online.
Hello.
Prostitute nko?
That one.
Na
Ẹgbẹ̀lẹ́gbẹ̀ sílé.
That one don.
okay.
Ayọ̀
So
ti àwọn.
which one you prefer? Which one you like?
Calling na.
Okay, now that online one. Should that one not dey expensive?
You know that's very low.
O le sọ Yorùbá náà fi mi sí alẹ́ ìgbà.
Any network available. Carry me to Abaye. 30 minutes. You don reach my side. Down.
Wetin dey stop like this?
Wetin go happen today to like this?
Nothing there.
Any question of the day?
Na Monday na.
And now I don't hit you now. You don't answer.
Never eat me finish o.
I know. Let's remain.
No.
No. You don't try. Chop am now. Give am chop. Abeg teach me toga.
Chopper.
No dey shop talk. I no get.
Chopper.
You know say this kind of price ogo. Idaye. This one if you do I be doing like this.
Okay, I get.
Yeah, I no for.
Okay. Thank you.
Meanwhile.
Which one?
No. Chopper.
Okay.
Aisha.
Thank you. Thank you.